In today's show, bullish Ethereum / Bitcoin pair revises the Ethereum flipping discussion. As you can see right here, Ethereum starts to climb higher against BTC. Many analysts, including macro guru Raoul Pal, predict there could be an Ethereum price flippening on BTC. I'll be breaking this down for you in today's show. Also in today's episode, key Bitcoin price metric flashes its first bullish signal in 4 months. I'll be breaking down this key metric and what it means for the Bitcoin price. Also in today's episode, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 underrated crypto assets poised to rally in the biggest altcoin season ever, according to popular crypto analyst Michael Van de Poppe. He shares right here, altcoins are heavily outperforming Bitcoin, as Bitcoin is most likely going to make a range-bound construction, and during those months, altcoins will do well. I'll be breaking down which altcoins they are for you here in today's show. Also in today's episode, on-chain metrics suggest this Bitcoin bull run has barely just begun, according to crypto trader Elliot Wainman. That's right, the crypto analyst predicts that the flagship digital asset could reach the price of $1 million per Bitcoin once this BTC Supercycle really kicks off. Quoting him right here, as we enter into May of 2021, which many people feel like might be towards the end of this bull run, I can't help but feel like we're on the brink of really crossing the chasm into a Bitcoin supercycle that would not only bring in hundreds of millions, if not billions of users into crypto, but would most likely send Bitcoin to astronomically new highs of hundreds of thousands, maybe even close to the hallowed ground of a $1 million Bitcoin. I'll be breaking this down for you in today's show. We'll also be taking a look at the overall crypto market. As you can see, Bitcoin barely in the green, Ethereum correcting in the red, XRP breaking out, but where's the Bitcoin price likely to go next? Find out all this, plus so much more in today's show. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I drop a brand new episode every single day, so be sure to smash that subscribe button, that's right, and turn on all notifications to receive daily premium crypto news alerts every single day, just like this. And before I kick off today's show, today's episode is brought to you by our sponsor BlockFi, the leading provider of financial products and services for crypto investors. As of May 1st, here are the updated rates for Bitcoin and Ethereum. For Bitcoin, it's a 5% APY, and for Ethereum, 4.5%. This is a reflection of market demand as institutions are borrowing more stablecoins than Bitcoin during this Bitcoin bull run. But on the other side of that coin, they upped their stablecoin APY to now 10%, and they're still backed by the biggest names in the industry, including Morgan Creek, Coinbase, as well as Winklevoss, and have a promo running where you can get up to a $250 crypto bonus with a deposit of $25 or more. All you need to do is click my referral link in the description. It'll take you here. Click this yellow button that says sign up, and you'll notice the referral code already pre-populated for you to take advantage of this special bonus. So what are you waiting for? Click the link right down below, and let's start stacking those sats. Shall we? All right, welcome back to another episode of Crypto News Alerts. I'm your host, JV. We have a lot to cover, so let's dive right in. Bitcoin and the overall crypto market saw minor losses on April 29th as the market heads into an expiry of $4.2 billion worth of Bitcoin options contracts. Data from Cointelegraph Markets and TradingView shows that since reaching a high above 56,400 on April 28th, the Bitcoin price has dropped more than 6% back down to near $53,000 support level, while Ethereum continues to trade above $2,700, as you can see right here in your screen. And despite the lull in market activity, signs of mainstream crypto integration continue to emerge on a near daily basis. Earlier today, Coinbase announced that users can now purchase up to $25,000 worth of cryptocurrency per day using their PayPal account. This is a pretty big deal to bring in this mass adoption, and it's not just financial institutions that are integrating blockchain technology to help achieve financial objectives. The government of Ethiopia revealed a partnership with Input Output Hong Kong IOHK, the research and development arm behind Cardano ADA. The goal of the new partnership is to use blockchain technology to overhaul its educational system. Now, Ethereum / Bitcoin starts to climb higher. That's right, while Bitcoin continues to struggle below $55,000 resistance level, the Ethereum / Bitcoin pair has started climbing higher in a move that was predicted by multiple analysts, including Real Vision CEO, macro guru Raoul Pal. The bullish movement in the Ethereum / Bitcoin pair has also reignited conversations about the Ethereum price eventually flipping Bitcoin. And as you can see right here on your screen, it shows you the 4-hour Ethereum / Bitcoin chart. You can see it breaking out to a new all-time high. And according to Elliot Wainman, partner at digital asset management firm Exo Alpha, Ethereum has been getting stronger against Bitcoin since the end of March, with the upcoming upgrade, which includes EIP 1559, being seen as a strong catalyst for the recent Ethereum bull run. The increased momentum is a signal for Larest that the market may be in a buy the rumor, sell the news configuration that may drive the price up until the EIP 1559 is released in July of this year. Quoting him right here, overall, this Ethereum upgrade is getting closer to Ethereum 2.0, with features like shifting from a proof of work to a proof of stake, chain including a burning fee mechanism. Those upcoming features are a great incentive for investors to tag along, contributing to Ethereum's strong recovery against Bitcoin, but it's still very early to put the flippening topic on the table. What are your thoughts? Do you feel Ethereum could potentially flip on the king of all crypto? Currently, the Ethereum market cap is just over $300 billion, and the Bitcoin market cap is just over $1 trillion. So Ethereum would need to 3x plus from here to potentially flip on BTC. And before I break down our next story of the day, key Bitcoin price metric flashes its first bullish signal in 4 months, as well as I share with you 3 underrated crypto assets poised to rally in the biggest altcoin season ever, according to crypto trader Michael Van de Poppe, as well as on-chain metrics suggest that this Bitcoin bull run has barely just begun, according to crypto trader Elliot Wainman, who's predicting a $1 million Bitcoin price. But first, let's take a quick look at the overall crypto market. We can see Bitcoin up 2%, trading just under that $55,000 resistance. We have Ethereum correcting after reaching new all-time highs yesterday of about $2,800, entering price discovery mode. It's down about 0.25% for today. We have Binance Coin up 2%, trading at $610. XRP surging up 16%, now trading at $1.60. Polkadot up almost 7%, trading at $36. And Chainlink up about 6%, trading at $38.51. All right, now let's break down our next story of the day. Bitcoin has been struggling to sustain above $53,000 support for the past 3 days, while Ethereum soared to new all-time highs at about $2,800. In the current scenario, some traders would rather wait for Friday CME futures expiry before entering long Bitcoin positions, as historically the price tends to correct ahead of the event. And right here on your screen, you're looking at the Ethereum and Bitcoin price at Coinbase, according to TradingView. And on the other hand, Ethereum's price has been positively impacted by the European Investment Bank launching a digital bond sale using the Ethereum network. The EIB is issuing a 2-year 100 million euro valued at 120.8 million USD digital bond, with the deal led by Goldman Sachs, Santander, and Societe Generale, as I pointed out in yesterday's episode. Furthermore, in the past week, JP Morgan published a research note stating that Ethereum should continue to outperform Bitcoin due to liquidity improvements and increased activity on the network. And according to fixed income analyst Joshua Younger, he wrote, Bitcoin is more of a crypto commodity than currency and competes with gold as a store of value, whereas Ethereum is the backbone of the crypto native economy and therefore functions more as a medium of exchange. To the extent owning a share of this potential activity is more valuable when analyzing the ratio between users, net long to short ratio at OKEX, surprising data emerges. The indicator is calculated using clients' consolidated positions, including perpetual and futures contracts. The proportion of Ethereum longs versus the shorts reached the lowest level in 2021, becoming significantly lower than Bitcoin's. As you can see right here on your screen, it shows you OKEX futures long to short ratio, and Ethereum longs vastly dominated throughout 2021, peaking at 130% larger than shorts, while Bitcoin traders have been usually more modest. However, the April 29th market trend reversal comes as the ratio for Bitcoin long stands 45% higher than shorts. Meanwhile, Ethereum traders are only 6% net long, signaling a lack of confidence in the recent rally. One should not interpret the stance of OKEX traders positioning in Ethereum as bearish, considering that the long to short ratio is relatively flat. However, April's monthly trend leaves no doubt that Bitcoin traders are becoming more optimistic. That's right. How many of you are bullish as what on the King cryptocurrency? Let me know in the comments below. I know I am. Traders should not dismiss Friday's Bitcoin and Ethereum options expiry. The 3.9 billion Bitcoin expiry presents a danger to the bulls if the Bitcoin price happens to move below $50,000, considering the neutral to bearish put options would then have a $700 million advantage. Currently, the bulls dominate Ethereum's more modest 930 million options expiry, and the 115 million difference in call options open interest seems guaranteed if the Ethereum price drops to $2,600. However, both cryptocurrencies could experience volatility after Friday's options expiry and the following CME's futures options expiry scheduled to take place later today. Before I share with you the 3 underrated crypto assets poised to rally in the biggest altcoin season ever, according to crypto trader Michael Van de Poppe, as well as the on-chain metrics suggesting that this Bitcoin bull run has barely just begun, according to crypto trader Elliot Wainman, who predicts a $1 million Bitcoin price. But first, let's take a quick look at the overall crypto market cap, sitting above $2.1 trillion with $139 billion in volume in the past 24 hours, and the current Bitcoin dominance still on the decline now at 48%, which is the lowest I've seen it in 3 years. According to many crypto analysts, once we broke below 50%, that's a great indicator of an alt season amongst us, and the current Bitcoin market cap still sitting above that $1 trillion milestone. And checking out the top gainers within the top 100, we have Venus up 22%, trading at $109, Waves up 16%, trading at $22, Phantom up almost 16%, trading at 73 cents, and XRP up 14.5%, trading at $1.60. Now checking out the top losers within the top 100, We have Decred down about 8%, trading at $197. Chili's down 6%, trading at 55 cents. Uniswap down about 6%, trading at 40 bucks. And Dent down 5.5%, trading at 1.1 cents. Now, out of this list of the biggest gainers and losers for the day, which altcoins are you particularly most bullish on right now during this alt season? Let me know in the comments right down below. Now, checking out one of my favorite indicators is the Crypto Greed and Fear Index. Shows we're currently rated a 51 neutral. Yesterday was a 52. Last week a 55 in greed. And last month a 76 in extreme greed. And if you're not familiar with the Crypto Greed and Fear Index, extreme fear can be a sign investors are too worried. That can be a great buying opportunity, aka BTFD, buy that freaking dip. And when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. All right, now let's break down our next story of the day. Prominent analyst and crypto trader Michael Van de Poppe is shining a spotlight on the altcoin market. In a new video, Van de Poppe tells his 74,000 YouTube subs that altcoins are prepared to significantly outperform Bitcoin in the coming weeks. Quoting him right here, altcoins are heavily outperforming Bitcoin, as Bitcoin is most likely going to make a range-bound construction, and during those months, altcoins will do well. Do you agree with Michael Van de Poppe? Let me know in the comments below. All I know is this: if Bitcoin dominance continues to decline, it's a given that the alt season is here and they will continue to outperform BTC. Van de Poppe tells traders that as an extreme alt season approaches and Bitcoin ranges, it is important to look for projects that have not yet mooned. For example, the trader mentions distributed web protocol, holochain, better known as HOT, which had a huge breakout in early April to an all-time high of 3.1 cents. And while Van de Poppe believes that Holo will break out again, he predicts its second rally will occur later in the next wave of the alt season, likely around mid-June. Quoting him here, do I assume that we're going to have a new cycle for altcoins? Yes. Do I assume that tokens like Holo token could have another run? Yes, for sure. But I'm assuming we're going to have this breakout later. I think we're going to have some more sideways action, and then we're going to start to accelerate, while other altcoins that did not have this rally yet will newly break out. Two assets that the analyst says will likely move in the short term are Smart Wallet Asset Swipe, SXP, and Oracle Project Teller, TRB. Van de Poppe points out that Swipe has a lot more upside potential, down 80% from its high in its Bitcoin pair, SXP/BTC, while Teller's technical analysis looks strong as well and will likely start expanding and accelerating, as there hasn't been much of a bull cycle for the asset yet. As for Bitcoin, Van de Poppe adds that if the asset is able to surpass the $58,000 resistance zone in one shot, he will be bullish in the short term. However, the analyst says this scenario is unlikely and will be watching for the flagship crypto to retest 46,500 as support and create a range-bound construction over the course of the next month or so. And I'll be sure to include this video in the show notes below the video in the description. Do you agree with Michael Van de Poppe? Do you feel the alt season is here and that they'll continue to outpace the king of all crypto? Let me know your thoughts in the comments right down below. And before I break down our final story of the day, on-chain metrics suggest that this Bitcoin bull run has barely just begun, says crypto trader Elliot Wainman, who predicts a $1 million Bitcoin price. But first, I want to remind you to smash that show more button right below this video in the description for a detailed analysis of what's going on in the crypto market. This goes for all 770 plus videos right here on my YouTube channel. Also have some very helpful resources for you to plug into, including my daily letter, which goes out to over 30,000 subscribers every single day. To subscribe, visit letter.cryptonewsalerts.net. Also have a blog I update daily, which could be found at cryptonewsyes.com. Also be sure to smash that subscribe button right below this video in the description to receive daily premium crypto news alerts every single day, just like this. You can also find me on all the major podcasting platforms, from Spotify, the home of the Joe Rogan Experience, to Apple's iTunes. You can also follow me on Twitter. My Twitter handle is cryptonewsyes. And for those of you active on Facebook, I do have a private crypto Facebook group entitled Crypto Alchemy with over 18,000 cryptopreneurs from all over the world. To join it, click this link, request to join. I'll be sure to plug you in. And for those of you active on Telegram as I am, I do have a private crypto Telegram chat, which is uncensored. To join it, click this link. You automatically be added, and I'm looking forward to connecting with you personally on the inside. And for those of you on TikTok, be sure to follow me there. All right, now let's break down our final story of the day. Crypto trader and influencer Elliot Wainman is sharing his thoughts on Bitcoin's price potential, asserting that the asset is nowhere near its bull cycle top. That's right, Wainman says on-chain metrics reveal that Bitcoin is just catching hold of its true bullish momentum after recently staging a recovery from early March lows. The crypto analyst predicts that the flagship digital asset could reach the price of $1 million per Bitcoin once this BTC Supercycle really really kicks off, quoting him right here, as we enter into May of 2021, which many people feel like might be towards the end of this bull run. I can't help but feel like we're on the brink of really crossing the chasm into a Bitcoin super cycle that would not only bring in hundreds of millions, if not billions of users into crypto, but would most likely send Bitcoin to astronomically new highs of hundreds of thousands, maybe even close to the hallowed ground of $1 million per Bitcoin. I predict a $1 million Bitcoin price by 2025. Here's the logic. We all know every 4 years there's a halving. The last one was in 2020. The year preceding the halving is when the market goes absolutely parabolic, like we witnessed in 2013, as well as 2017, and like we're about to witness in 2021. We're on the cusp of it right now, and the next halving is in 2024. So in 2025, that's when I expect a $1 million Bitcoin price. However, on the other side of that coin, if there is a super cycle this year, then potentially, heck yeah, we can reach $1 million per Bitcoin a lot earlier. But what are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments right down below. The crypto influencer argues that the bullish case for Bitcoin is cemented by the fact that the number of Bitcoin moving off exchanges and into cold wallets, where it's likely to not be sold on the open market, is still on the rise. Quoting him here, this trend of falling Bitcoin on exchanges, the falling supply, is something that has started in early 2020 and is only continuing right now. This is where the on-chain metrics tell the tale of the off-chain metrics. Hype, FUD, FOMO, and all the media buzz can never help you see through. Looking on chain is where you see the truth. That's right. Wainman also highlights a chart from Our World in Data modified by fellow trader Alex Saunders, which compares the number of people who are actively using crypto to the rise of previous technologies, as you can see right here on your screen. What you see is that we're just starting to see an uptick here in adoption, and that there is no dip here. Crypto's actual disruption, its actual adoption, has not even started. We're looking at the earliest days of this technology. I couldn't agree more. Let me know your thoughts regarding a Bitcoin super cycle and a $1 million Bitcoin price in the comments right down below. Now for a quick recap of what I covered with you right here in today's show. Bullish Ethereum / Bitcoin pair revives the Ethereum flipping discussion. That's right. Do you feel that Ethereum has the potential to flip on the king of all crypto? Let me know your thoughts right down below. Also in today's show, I shared key Bitcoin price metric flashing its first bullish signal in 4 months, which is a great indicator for Bitcoin. Also in today's show, I shared that there are 3 underrated crypto assets poised to rally in the biggest altcoin season ever, according to crypto analyst Michael Van de Poppe. Also in today's show, I shared that on-chain metrics suggest that this Bitcoin bull run has barely just begun, according to crypto trader Elliot Wainman, who predicts a $1 million Bitcoin price in a Bitcoin super cycle. So where do you feel the Bitcoin price is likely to go next? Let me know in the comments right down below. Well, that's going to conclude today's show. As always, I appreciate you tuning in and journeying along with me inside this incredible crypto matrix. If you gain value out of today's show, be sure to smash that subscribe button. That's right. And turn on all notifications to receive daily premium crypto news alerts every single day, just like this. And real quick, before I go, I want to give a special shout out to BlockFi, the leading provider of financial products and services for crypto investors. Here's where you can put your crypto to work. And as of May 1st, here are the updated rates for Bitcoin and Ethereum. For Bitcoin, it's now a 5% annual percentage yield. And for Ethereum, 4.5%. They had to adjust this to match the demand in the marketplace, as institutions are borrowing more stable coins right now than BTC and ETH during this bull run, which is only expected. Also like to point out that on the other side of that coin, they upped their APY in stable coins to now 10%, making this truly a no-brainer, and they're still backed by the biggest names in the industry. And they have a promo running right now where you can get up to a $250 crypto bonus with a deposit of $25 or more. All you need to do is use my referral link in the description right down below. It'll take you here. Then simply click this yellow button that says sign up, and you'll notice the referral code already pre-populated for you to take advantage of this special bonus. So what are you waiting for? Click the link right down below. Let's start stacking those sats, and I look forward to seeing you on tomorrow's episode. Peace.